Hello everyone, in this video I'll be going over the differences between Jamovi and Excel. So let's start off with Jamovi. Jamovi is an open source statistical software. It's designed for ease of use, it's built on R, and is good for reproducible and robust statistics. It's suitable for academic, teaching, and social science research. Excel, on the other hand, is a widely used spreadsheet software. It has built-in formulas, pivot tables, charts, and a data analysis tool pack that can be used for light statistics. It's good for general tasks and data preparation. Now let's go over the differences between Jamovi and Excel. Jamovi is very easy to use with a point-and-click interface. Excel is moderate in terms of its ease of use because it depends on the task. Jamovi is better for statistical analysis as it has advanced stats built in, while Excel requires a toolpack add-in that can only perform basic statistics. Jamovi is better for visualization as it has simple and publication-ready charts and graphs. Excel has customizable charts and graphs, but are usually clunky. Analysis in Jamovi can be reproduced as the analysis is saved alongside the data. Excel does not have any built-in reproducibility. The learning curve in Jamovi is extremely low for beginners, as the software is point-and-click based. Excel is low for basic tasks. However, higher, more complex tasks have a steeper learning curve. The cost for Jamovi is free and open source, while Excel requires a Microsoft Office license. Jamovi provides more extensions and add-ons. This includes more statistical capabilities that allows Jamovi to have a variety of tools for data analysis. Jamovi can be seamlessly integrated with R, while Excel has no direct integration. Jamovi is better if you're going to be doing data analysis, especially for research or teaching, and if you want reproducible results and prefer R integration. Excel is better for general data tasks, like data preparation and data cleaning, and it's also good for basic summaries or quick visuals. So that's it for Excel and Jamovi. Jamovi is a statistical-oriented software, while Excel is a more general data tasks-oriented software. Thank you for watching.